Junior Giant Edge. The Junior Giant Edge redefines versatility in furniture design with its modern, shallow-depth extendable console table concept. Seamlessly transitioning from a sleek console to a spacious dining table accommodating 8 to 10 individuals, it embodies convenience without compromising style. Slightly thinner than its counterpart, the Revolution model, its refined silhouette fits effortlessly into various living spaces. Crafted with functionality in mind, hidden wheels and felt sliders beneath ensure effortless mobility, allowing a single person to effortlessly maneuver and extend the table with ease. Whether utilized for intimate gatherings or large dinner parties, the Junior Giant Edge offers a seamless blend of form and function, elevating the dining experience while adapting to the dynamic needs of modern living. Dormire V2. The Dormire V2 revolutionizes small space living with its ingenious design as an easy-to-use bunk bed couch transformer. Crafted with a smooth Italian mechanism, transitioning from a comfortable sofa to a cozy bunk bed for 2 adults is effortless. Dual safety features including a ladder latch and key lock ensure peace of mind during use. Moreover, the sofa's back cleverly conceals storage compartments for pillows and bedding, maximizing functionality without sacrificing style. Perfect for compact apartments, dormitories, or guest rooms, the Dormire V2 embodies innovation and practicality, providing a versatile solution for accommodating guests or maximizing space utilization. With its sleek design and convenient features, the Dormire V2 offers a seamless blend of comfort, safety, and efficiency, making it a must-have for any space-conscious individual or household. Vogue Functional Bed. The Vogue Functional Bed is a marvel of modern design, integrating an array of features to enhance both comfort and functionality. From designed LED lighting to a hidden coffee table nestled within the headboard, every element is meticulously crafted for convenience and style. A wooden bookcase with a roller cover offers storage and privacy, while reading lamps and side drawers provide easy access to essentials. The bed's innovative multimedia Bluetooth voiceover and USB port cater to modern tech needs, ensuring connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Safety and security are prioritized with a hidden sliding safe, while the addition of a massage pad elevates relaxation to new heights. With its thoughtful design and comprehensive features, the Vogue Functional Bed redefines the sleeping experience, seamlessly blending luxury with practicality for the ultimate in modern living. Smart Bett MurphyBed. The Smart Bett MurphyBed redefines convenience and space-saving solutions with its innovative design. As a MurphyBed, it effortlessly transforms from a stylish cabinet or wall unit into a comfortable sleeping space, allowing you to maximize your living area with ease. With its user-friendly configuration process, setting up the MurphyBed takes just 3 minutes, making it perfect for guests or daily use without the hassle of traditional bed setups. Whether you're living in a studio apartment, guest room, or home office, the Smart Bett MurphyBed offers a practical and stylish solution to your sleeping needs. Its sleek design seamlessly blends into any decor, while its functionality ensures that you can make the most out of your space without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Say goodbye to bulky, space-consuming beds and hello to the Smart Bett MurphyBed, the smarter choice for modern living. Tumidei Flip Sofa. The Tumidei Flip Sofa collection introduces a new dimension to contemporary design, inspired by purity and simplicity. With its flip system of upholstered elements, this sofa redefines modularity and versatility. Each component can be easily split and rearranged, allowing for customizable configurations to suit any space or preference. The innovative design extends to the sofa's functionality, with both the backs and seat cushions fully flippable, providing added comfort and flexibility. Moreover, the upper structure is entirely reclining, enhancing relaxation and adaptability. This austere yet sophisticated collection embodies the essence of modern living, offering a seamless blend of form and function. Whether used in a living room, lounge, or office, the Tumidei Flip Sofa elevates any environment with its sleek design and innovative features. Prati X4. The The Prati X4 storage bed system represents a breakthrough in functionality and convenience. As the only patented system of its kind, it offers a unique solution for maximizing storage space with a horizontal lift-up mechanism activated with just one touch. This innovative design allows for effortless access to the ample storage space underneath the bed without the need for cumbersome lifting or rearranging. Whether you need to store extra bedding, seasonal clothing, or personal belongings, the Prati X4 provides a practical and efficient solution for organizing your space. With its sleek and modern design, this bed system seamlessly integrates into any bedroom decor while offering unparalleled ease of use. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to simplicity with the Prati X4 storage bed system. Bcompact folding staircase. The Bcompact folding staircase offers a fresh perspective on traditional staircases and ladders, introducing a revolutionary lateral folding motion that optimizes living space and enhances mobility within your home. Its innovative design integrates inventive elements like the bifold handrail, adorned with stylish stainless steel, brass, or alloy hardware accents. This attention to detail adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal to the staircase. Furthermore, users have the option of selecting an automatic or spring-loaded gate for added convenience and safety. Additionally, the staircase is available in a special finish suitable for outdoor use, expanding its versatility beyond indoor spaces. With its clever design and thoughtful features, the Bcompact folding staircase redefines how we think about stairways, offering a stylish and practical solution for modern living environments. Hidealoo Hidden Toilet System. The Hidealoo Hidden Toilet System introduces a groundbreaking retractable toilet mechanism that revolutionizes space utilization in homes. Designed as a unique solution for small spaces or discreetly adding an additional toilet, this innovative system offers unprecedented versatility and convenience. With its retractable design, the toilet can be seamlessly integrated into various areas of the home, optimizing space without compromising functionality. Whether it's tucked away under stairs, inside cabinets, or within furniture units, the Hidealoo Hidden Toilet System provides a discreet and efficient solution for meeting the needs of modern living. Say goodbye to space constraints and hello to clever design with the Hidealoo Hidden Toilet System, paving the way for enhanced comfort and convenience in any home. Nuovoliolà 10. The Nuovoliolà 10 introduces a double-function transforming system that seamlessly combines comfort and practicality. Featuring a tilting double bed and a sofa with a storage compartment and bookshelf, this innovative design maximizes space utilization without sacrificing style. By day, the sofa offers a cozy seating area with ample storage space for books, blankets, or other essentials, while the integrated bookshelf adds a touch of sophistication to any living space. At night, the tilting double bed effortlessly transforms from its sofa configuration, providing a comfortable sleeping area for a restful night's sleep. Whether it's used in a studio apartment, guest room, or home office, the Nuovoliolà 10 offers a versatile solution for modern living, combining functionality with elegant design to meet the diverse needs of today's homeowners. Tommi Jerri by ERBA. The Tommi Jerri by ERBA is a game-changer in space-saving solutions with its wall bunk bed system. Comprising 6 easy-to-assemble components, this innovative design simplifies installation while maximizing functionality. What sets it apart is its cutting-edge opening system, the most innovative on the market. This mechanism ensures smooth and effortless operation, allowing users to transform the bunk bed with ease. Perfect for apartments, guest rooms, or children's bedrooms, Tommi Jerri offers a stylish and practical solution for optimizing living space without compromising on comfort. Its sleek design seamlessly blends into any decor, while its sturdy construction guarantees durability and safety. With Tommi Jerri, ERBA has redefined the possibilities of space-saving furniture, providing a versatile and reliable solution for modern living environments. Sobro Smart Coffee Table. The Sobro Smart Coffee Table redefines the concept of a traditional coffee table, combining modern technology with sleek design. With its tempered glass tabletop and stylish exterior finish, it seamlessly integrates into any contemporary living space. The built-in refrigerator drawer, with adjustable temperature settings, offers unparalleled convenience, while the dual Bluetooth speakers deliver rich sound quality for immersive entertainment. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet evening at home, the LED underside allows you to set the perfect ambience. Additionally, the table features 2 USB charging ports, 4 120-volt outlets, and 2 additional storage drawers for added functionality. With a user-friendly touch control panel, setting the fridge temperature, LED color, and more is effortless. Easy setup and available in black or white, the Sobro Smart Coffee Table is a stylish and practical addition to any home, designed in nice with US-based customer support. Pessotto Reti Boxy. The Pessotto Reti Boxy system offers unparalleled versatility and functionality, providing a dynamic solution for both sleeping and lounging needs. With its unique design, the Boxy system can effortlessly transform from a single bed to a cozy sofa, making it an ideal choice for multifunctional spaces. By pairing a second bed, it creates a solid and indivisible top, ensuring stability and comfort for users. Whether you need an extra bed for guests or a comfortable seating option during the day, the Boxy system adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. Its modular design and practicality make it a perfect fit for small apartments, guest rooms, or home offices, offering convenience without compromising on style. With the Pessotto Reti Boxy system, versatility meets innovation, providing a versatile solution for modern living spaces. Compatto Shelf Wall Bed. The Compatto Shelf Wall Bed redefines space-saving furniture with its innovative design and multifunctionality. This unique wall bed bookcase system offers ample shelf storage, seamlessly combining practicality with style. Its standout feature is the revolving mechanism that effortlessly reveals a queen-sized bed, ensuring a comfortable and restful night's sleep without sacrificing floor space. Additionally, the sectional sofa with reversible chaise and storage adds to its versatility, providing a cozy seating area during the day and extra storage space for belongings. A decorative shelf cleverly conceals the MurphyBed when not in use, enhancing the room's aesthetic appeal. Crafted with exceptional Italian mechanics, the Compatto Shelf Wall Bed guarantees durability and reliability, making it a smart investment for any modern living space seeking to optimize functionality without compromising on design. Tablebed. The Tablebed offers a seamless transition from a functional table to a comfortable bed in just 10 seconds, making it an ideal solution for maximizing space without compromising on convenience. Whether you need extra sleeping space for guests or a multifunctional piece of furniture for a small living area, a Tablebed provides versatility without sacrificing style. Its innovative design allows it to effortlessly transform from a sleek and modern table to a cozy bed, ensuring a restful night's sleep whenever needed. With its quick and easy setup, the Tablebed offers a practical and efficient solution for modern living, allowing you to make the most out of your space without the hassle of traditional furniture arrangements. Say goodbye to bulky and cumbersome furniture, and hello to the simplicity and functionality of the Tablebed. LG Lesmo Space Saving Table. The LG Lesmo Space Saving Table redefines versatility and functionality in home furniture. Its round coffee tables seamlessly transform into dining tables, accommodating up to 14 people comfortably. This innovative feature makes it ideal for both classic and modern settings, offering convenience without compromising style. The oval magic tables are not only practical but also customizable, allowing homeowners to tailor them to their preferences. From choosing colors and finishes to designing the perfect look, the LG Lesmo Space Saving Table offers endless possibilities to suit any decor scheme. Whether it's a cozy family dinner or a gathering of friends, this table effortlessly adapts to meet your needs, making it a standout addition to any home looking to optimize space while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Kitchoo K6. The Kitchoo K6 embodies Swiss ingenuity in a compact kitchen, offering a minimalist design that maximizes functionality without sacrificing style. Its built-in sink features a telescopic mixer faucet, providing convenience and versatility in a limited space. With 2 opening hoods equipped with integrated LED lights, cooking becomes a breeze while illuminating your workspace. The remote control allows for easy on and off functionality and adjustment of LED light intensity, enhancing user experience. Integrated, invisible shock absorbers ensure smooth and silent operation, while the kitchen top and hood interiors are crafted from resistant matte laminate, ensuring durability and ease of maintenance. Additionally, the integrated power socket adds to the convenience, allowing for seamless connectivity of appliances. With the Kitchoo K6, enjoy the perfect blend of form and function in a compact kitchen solution that meets the demands of modern living. Nexus 21 Model AL125. The Nexus 21 Model AL125 is a revolutionary solution for maximizing space efficiency within your built-in cabinetry. Designed to combat unused and wasted space, this innovative mechanism offers endless possibilities for customization and organization. With its easy installation process, the AL125 allows you to create an enclosure in any shape, seamlessly concealing kitchen appliances or other valuables with minimal effort. Whether you want to hide bulky appliances, create hidden storage compartments, or simply optimize space utilization, the Nexus 21 Model AL125 provides a versatile and practical solution. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to streamlined aesthetics with this cutting-edge mechanism, transforming your cabinetry into a functional and organized space that meets the demands of modern living.